Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your English 1 class. We have discussed all the chapters included in grammar in the previous class. This class is all about discussing the writing skills, right? As we know, there are two types given in your unit test syllabus. One is letter and another is composition writing. You are well acquainted with its detailing and its structure. Then also we will have a quick discussion so that you will get memorized with everything, right? So as you can see on the screen, write a letter to your younger brother convincing him that if he wants to build a good career for himself, then he should leave all the things that are distracting him from his goal and suggest him to focus on his studies only. Nowadays we know our brothers and our friends are getting busy with their video games and something that should not be acquainted with them nowadays, because this time is very much crucial to develop their studies, but they are neglecting that, and as a result they are facing a very bad result, and they are feeling depressed. So we will write a letter on this topic so that you can also help someone with such a letter. So as we can see, first we'll start with house number A by 20, Bihar Nagar, Midnapur 721101. See the structure, comma, comma, full stop. Then comes the date, that is 6th July 2020, no comma, no full stop. Then my dear Tinku, comma. Then it has been a while since I have heard from you. I got to know you are quite disturbed nowadays. Hopefully you will find yourself in a settled situation soon. Now, second para, recently I came to know about poor performance. I'm not going to read it out the whole letter because you will get this material available in the study material section. So after writing the second paragraph, I have written the third one, that is a conclusion. And then in the subscription part, as you can see, with love, comma, yours affectionately, comma, then only your first name, then full stop. This is the structure, right? So go through well the structure. Now let us proceed to the composition part. Write a composition on the importance of trees in our lives. So I have given a title, trees are our best friends. It is up to you what title you want to give. Then we will come to the introduction part. It is correctly said that when you plant a tree, you plant a life, and it goes on like that. Then comes the second paragraph and the last one called conclusion at the end. So this is the composition. You know, a composition is generally written following these three steps: introduction, body and conclusion, right? And it should have a heading. Conclusion is one of the integrated parts and it just sums up everything, and it actually holds the reader to get interested about it, and you know these things very well. I just told you so that you can get revised with everything. So now you will go for your assignment that is available there in the worksheet section. All the best for that, and very soon you are going to face another test, so get prepared. If you have any problem in understanding in any of English 1 parts, just feel free to ask. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself, do study well, have a great day ahead. Thank you.